This is Tim Willis with Face Made for Radio and Voice Made for Newsprint, and this is ClickFunnels and Click Designs. And tonight we're going to be looking at ClickFunnels 2.0, and we're going to be concentrating on the AI side of things. And we're going to be looking at how we can use ClickFunnels 2.0 to make AI images and do that all within the ClickFunnels 2.0 editor. So what I've got here is a little test page I've set up. It doesn't have much right now. It has a section, has a one column row, headline, and then below that 2 column row, and we can go ahead and put some image elements in there. And we're using the new sidebar here that came out this week. So the headline I just put here just to demonstrate how we get to Napoleon AI if we're running text, and that will bring us to this right here, a little Chat GPT style interface that we can get help for headline, things like that. I'm really not going to go into it. I think I did a video a while back on this, but that's how you access that. But it's a completely different thing when we get to creating AI images in ClickFunnels 2.0. So we're just going to go ahead and click on one of our image elements, open it up, click on the image URL. That will bring up our image gallery, and you see I have a bunch of images here. This isn't my main workspace, so it's a mix of stuff here. Also have a folder here that says AI generated, and so that comes by default, and any AI pictures we produce within ClickFunnels 2.0 will end up here. And then also, if you wanted to create new folders, you could do that as well. As I said, this isn't my main workspace, so that's why I haven't bothered with it. And then below that we have our discover section, which has different links we can go to. And then the one in the middle is called Marketing AI, and that's the one we're interested in. If we click on that, it brings up this little panel here, and it gives us a little blurb about it. And we're just going to type something in here with some kind of prompt that we can use to generate some images. So let me think about what we're going to put here. I had no idea what this is going to look like, but what I put in here is the U.S. Senate, but all the senators are monkeys behaving badly. We'll see what it comes up with. And then you just press enter, and it will go to work with the spinning wheel. This will generally take a couple minutes. Alright, so now we're getting something in. Looks like it's not all that impressive what we got, but I was kind of vague about things. But we did get something that looks like it might be the U.S. Senate on drugs, and that's all we care about, is producing something. Now, each of these we have ability to save it. That's going to save it into our main folder, or we can generate a similar one. And we're going to do neither of those. Now if we go to our AI generated folder, we'll see that they show up there. And then if we go to our images folder, they don't show up there unless we click on that button we had on the other page. But they do give us a choice here to edit the image or delete the image. Edit is not what you think it is. Editing just means you can add a title and then an alt title to the picture. So there's no actual image editing going on there. You can use the filters in your image element in ClickFunnels 2.0 to do that. But let's just go ahead and pick one of these, and we'll put that one right there, and then we'll come here and put one of the other ones there. Again, pretty much like loading any image, this just happens to be an AI image. We go to our AI generated folder, and we will pick out this one here. And there we are. Pretty lousy pictures actually, but I didn't give it much to work with. Alright, so that's that. And that's how you do that. Now, of course, like I said, if you want to make some adjustments in a basic sort of way, you can go down to your filter section, turn that on. That will give you some choices like brightness, contrast, saturation, and so forth. Otherwise, you can just accept it like it is, or if you don't like it, you can take another shot at making a picture, or search the internet and try a different kind of image library or AI image generator. And anyway, that's kind of really all there is to it, to producing AI images within ClickFunnels 2.0. I just want to do that, and it's going to be set up for a different video, because the one thing we need to bring up here, and it's not something you're probably going to do, but you may, is let's go to preview, and then from preview, you've probably done this on the website some before. We want to save the picture and do save image as. It will save the image and you can download it, but the problem is these are not JPEG or PNG files. They're what called AVIF files. So if you want to extract that from a page that you created with ClickFunnels 2.0, then use them in something else, it's going to take a little extra step or two to do that, and that's probably what the next video for ClickFunnels will be about. Now, of course, in ClickFunnels Classic, there's no capability to create AI images, but it's also true of ClickFunnels Classic that the images that you'll see on your preview page and your live page are going to be your more standard image files like JPEGs and PNGs. So that's really it for today. And so my name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, Click Designs, and other useful tools for funnel hacking and funnel hackers. That's it for right now. I'll talk to you later. Bye.